Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pool testing kits that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're serious about keeping your pool or spa water safe and properly balanced, you'll want to stick around to the end. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the WWD Pool Swimming Pool Spa Water Chemical Test Kit. This two-way test kit is a simple, no-frills option designed for testing chlorine and pH levels in your pool or spa. It includes 2 half-ounce bottles of test solution, a clear view testing block with easy-to-read color indicators, and a handy carrying case. The design is straightforward and user-friendly, making it a good choice for beginners. Performance-wise, the WWD Pool Kit does the job well for basic testing needs. Just fill the provided tubes with water, add 4 drops of the respective solution, shake gently, and compare the results to the included color chart. The entire process takes less than a minute, and the results are fairly accurate for a product in this price range. However, its limited testing capabilities mean it won't be sufficient for those needing to monitor more complex chemical balances. This kit is ideal for small pool owners or anyone looking for a low-cost, easy-to-use testing option. However, the lack of versatility and the need for frequent reagent restocking might not suit those with larger pools or spas. Overall, it's a decent, budget-friendly choice, but not the most comprehensive option on the market. At number 4, we have the Pawfly 7-in-1 Digital Water Testing Kit. What sets this product apart is the inclusion of a digital reader, which eliminates guesswork by providing precise numerical results. It tests for 7 key parameters, including pH, total hardness, chlorine, bromine, and more. The digital reader is compact, lightweight, and powered by 3 AA batteries, making it portable and easy to use. While the digital functionality is impressive, there's a bit of a learning curve when it comes to using the strips with the device. You dip the strip into the water, insert it into the digital reader, and wait for the countdown to get your readings. The results are saved for up to 100 tests, which is a handy feature for tracking changes over time. However, with only 50 strips included, you'll run out relatively quickly if you're testing regularly. The Pawfly kit is perfect for tech-savvy users who value precision and don't mind spending a bit more time on each test. However, its higher price point and limited strip count might deter casual users. It's a solid investment for those who need consistent, reliable readings without the hassle of manual color matching. Coming in at number 3 is the all-new 2025 Pool and Spa Test Strips by BestProd. This 7-in-1 test kit offers a straightforward, no-hassle solution for testing your pool or spa water. With 150 strips included, it's a great value for the price. It tests for essential parameters like chlorine, bromine, pH, alkalinity, and cyanuric acid, making it a versatile option for maintaining balanced water chemistry. The strips are easy to use. Simply dip one into your water sample for 2 seconds, wait a minute, and compare the results to the color chart. The BestProd kit stands out for its clear, easy-to-read color indicators and detailed instructions, which make it accessible for first-time users. However, the 60-second waiting time may feel a bit long compared to some of the faster testing kits on our list. This kit is particularly well-suited for residential pool owners who want an efficient and cost-effective way to test their water. While it doesn't include any digital features, its simplicity and reliability make it a solid choice for everyday use. The main downside is that it doesn't perform as well in low-light conditions, so you'll want to test during daylight hours for best results. At number 2, we have the Lime Pool 7-in-1 Spa Pool Test Strips. This kit offers 162 strips, making it one of the most generous options on our list. It tests for 7 key parameters, including pH, total chlorine, bromine, and total hardness, with a focus on lab-tested accuracy. This ensures reliable results that you can trust, even if you're managing a large pool or spa. The strips are easy to use. Dip one in water for 2 seconds, hold it horizontally for 45 seconds, and compare the results to the included chart. The instructions emphasize reading results in natural daylight, which helps ensure accuracy. The bulk pack makes it an excellent choice for families or professionals who need to test frequently without running out of strips. The Lime Pool Kit is ideal for those who want both value and precision. Its high strip count and consistent results make it a standout in its category. The only downside is that the strips must be stored carefully to avoid contamination, and the packaging could be a bit sturdier. Overall, it's a fantastic option for anyone serious about pool maintenance. Finally, at number 1, we have the Easy Test 7-Way Pool Test Strips. This kit is the ultimate all-rounder, offering a balance of affordability, ease of use, and accuracy. With 150 strips included, it provides excellent value for money, and it tests for all the critical parameters: bromine, pH, total alkalinity, free chlorine, total hardness, cyanuric acid, and total chlorine. What sets the Easy Test kit apart is its high-quality fiber paper and no-bleed pads, which ensure precise readings every time. Testing is quick and simple. Dip the strip in water for 1 second, hold it horizontally for 15 seconds, and compare the colors to the chart. The results are clear and easy to interpret, making this kit perfect for both beginners and experienced pool owners. The Easy Test kit is highly versatile, suitable for swimming pools, hot tubs, and spas. It's our top pick because of its combination of reliability, user-friendly design, and affordability. The only minor drawback is the 90-day usage window after opening, but with regular testing, you'll likely use them up well before then. For anyone looking to keep their pool water sparkling clean and safe, this is the kit to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Stay safe and happy swimming.